Hi, my name's Brett and I'm from Free Diploma Training. Free Diploma Training was started up to create free training for people looking to get skills specifically to run small businesses. It's then turned into an internship program which allows us to place interns for free so they can develop skills doing things that small businesses need with the goal of actually getting a job either as a contract worker or as an employee for that business. So how the program was developed is a bit of a longer story than that. So first of all, what we need to look at is this is how the program was actually developed. It started with Trainer PD 3 years ago. We went out there and we started to go to meetup groups and started to talk to a whole bunch of businesses that work in small business consulting like that. Then it went into other trainers were wanting me to do skills recognition with them, wanting to do updates and develop training courses for them as well. Not just working for training organisations and RTOs, but also people that were working in industry that were looking at training courses there too. People worry about the contributing to this program. We are getting things from businesses, but there's stuff that they've got so much to give away that they're giving it away for free and they're giving away free tips. That's all that we're using, and that's what we're teaching the intern. So that allows us to actually refer people to them for extra training. Not just interns, but businesses as well that want to do it there as well. So what we've had to do though is to provide more up-to-date and better training. We've had to look at putting protections in place for these people that are giving us content to give away. Okay, so what are we're looking at setting up a site where people can come on and learn, and we can make that available to training organisations or anyone that wants to do it for a small subscription fee, because that's going to allow us to share it around, and it's also going to allow us to give credit to the people that contributed to us there as well. So you're not just giving away your stuff, it's kind of like a testimonial, but it's not that you're endorsing the program or that we're endorsing your skills either. People still need to decide on what's best for them and work it out. What we're doing is just providing the basic training and essentially creating the market for the list of consultants that we've spoken to over the last few years. The last part of this is that why we need to set up a special membership site to provide more up-to-date information is that then we can then put that into training organisations and they can promote what these businesses are doing, but they can't use that material and share it around and create their own stuff. So what they're going to do is they're going to implement it into their course. They're selling training, but it means that when they're given this stuff to the students can't take it away and use it, the RTOs can't change it and everything else. So it needs to be that way so that the credit comes back to you. And that's the program that we're actually looking at setting up. That's the next step of this program to allow us to provide better training to more people out there, which includes some certain areas or the industry, but this is where it comes into that we need to work with the traditional training organisations. But it's not to say that's in regards to validating the skills as part of the formal process. But what we're looking at doing is we're looking at, are they the best people to do the training, the actual training? And this is where it comes into the regulators have got issues with the trainer and assessor capability of people working for RTOs, particularly in regards to vetting schools. What they're actually doing is their regulatory strategy for the next few years is looking at the fact that one, trainer and assessor capability. So this is where maybe they're not the best people to deliver the training right now, but that doesn't mean that they can't be in the future. So the second part, when it talks about vetting schools, there's been a lot of RTOs a lot of students have been affected by RTOs being deregistered because they've been found that they're not compliant, they don't have the quality of training and assessment that needs to be done in schools. Now, there has been some deregistered, and this hasn't been a focus of national scrutiny, but what it's going to be is in the next couple of years they are going to drill down into it, and they're going to get the states involved in it as well, which is where the school system comes into it there too. Okay? So that's another issue that we've got to work with in the training industry at the moment. The last one that we've got to work at is the qualification, which is actually designed to teach people how to run a business, is one of 5 which is listed as a high risk of non-compliance for RTOs. Why is that? Because of the lack of clarity about the purpose and the relationship between different units. In the real world, you don't work in a silo. You need to relate things to each other, okay? And what's happening is the qualification doesn't meet the industry needs. What is the stakeholder in this case? It's a business. Okay, that's why we need to work with the formal training system to actually get this up and running there as well. So we can't work it exclusively, everyone has to work together. Okay? So if you're looking at being involved in this program, send us an email, say hello at Free Diploma, or jump on the website freediploma.com.au. We want to talk to you if you're passionate about training, getting people to do what you love. That's the type of people that we want to be involved in this program.